This can be an intimidating process. You know, most people don't have a lot of experience and they don't know where to turn. They've got questions. You know, they've never had this type of injury before maybe. They've never gone through the process. You know, to be an advocate for the client, I mean, that is our job, is to go out and try to prove the client's case. And to do that, we have to gather the facts and get to know the client. The preparations that I put into my clients' cases will sometimes tip the scales to whether we win or lose the case. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. The insurance adjuster is not your friend. They're not there to make sure that you and your family are taken care of. Their obligation is to get you settled, out the door, resolved as quickly and cheaply as possible.
That's perfect.
We're here to help them, get through this and ultimately, come out the best that they can. When you have a client that hasn't been able to work for sometimes maybe even years, and you're able to help them meet their financial obligations, it's one of the best feelings that an attorney can have. I mean, it's why we do this. It's why this is the line of work that we've chosen, and what gets us to come to work every day.